Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a really quick video of a hybrid kind of junk journal card that I've made my friend who's going to be 65. Oops, sorry, I've just banged the camera. 65 soon. This is a My Porch Prints kit that I bought off Etsy. I will link her video down below. As you can see, you print the cake out twice. The difference with mine and hers is she did book rings, I think, here, whereas I've just recently acquired a second-hand CINCH machine, and so I have cinched mine, and actually I really love this style. I'll probably do lots of journals like this because, so that's the front cover. I'll just pop 65 there. As you turn the page, obviously, this journal lies flat, and that is the joy of a cinched journal. So inside there, I've just popped her name. This will be, but I haven't written on it yet, that's going to be actually a flip up so that I can write, you know, happy birthday and what to do with this. My idea is that it is a birthday card to her, but I'm hoping that she will be able to use it, because if you see, it's made up of pockets and you just decorate them up however you like. So there's pockets, then obviously there's a cake slice in there. She can write her memories all on the back of there. There's these little indexed tab cards, so you can write on there. She could take all of that out and just put her own photos in here. I've obviously decorated the back of all of these. This is another pocket, just decorate. All these bits of ephemera come in the kit, and I will try to link, I'm not sure I can do the kit, but I will link her video, My Porch Prints. Again, you know, there's all these fussy cuts. You can write on the back of them, so she can leave all her lovely memories of her 65th birthday, trips she's making, people she sees, presents she has. That's the back of there. That's got a tag in it. Just decorated up this. Some of them I did do it a bit different to her. All of hers are pockets. I have made some out of scrapbook paper, just cards in obviously the same shape. I've used the template, and that's so that you can write all on there, journal on here. Then we've got small pockets with bits in, you know, there's like a present in there, that one. But it's a lovely little gift, I think, just to well, yeah, it is kind of a journal, I suppose, but I'm planning it more of a like 65th birthday card. But you know, she could take all these bits out and just put photos in there. She could put, you know, anything that she wants in there. I'm gonna have to get this back because I'll never remember the order I had them. Sorry, faffing. Turn the page, time for cake, you know, put your things. There's another scrapbook one ready for writing on. Another pocket. Yeah, so the back of the pocket. This I left blank again, more scrapbook paper, and just made a little tag out of some of the Make-A-Wish. No, it's, come on, focus. And that's the back of it, and just pop that there. So it is only a super quick little make, but if you're interested in making one of these yourself, I think it's a lovely keepsake for somebody's special birthdays. And it's My Porch Prints. I will link the video of this lady's channel down below. That is all for now. Thanks for stopping by. Bye bye.